Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions, and iOS is up to date. This ensures the camera app can read QR codes. Next, open camera and hold your iPhone so the QR code fills about 1/3 of the screen. Use natural light and steady hands so autofocus locks quickly. Once the yellow focus box or banner appears, don't tap randomly, make minor adjustments to distance. This first step gets the camera ready to detect the code reliably and prepares you for the action that follows. Once the camera recognizes the code, a concise banner appears at the top of the screen. This is your direct action prompt. You should tap that banner to preview what it contains, whether it's a URL, contact card, or payment request. Previewing prevents accidental navigation. If it's a link, Safari opens. If it's a contact, you can save directly. Make sure to review the destination before proceeding. If you prefer, long press the banner for more options, like copying the link or opening in a different app. To complete the process, save any contact information or bookmark important pages so you can return later without rescanning. Once done, close camera and confirm the saved item is correct. If you prefer shortcuts, add the QR code scanner to Control Center or use a trusted third-party reader for batch scans. If scanning fails, clean the lens, increase ambient light, move closer or farther to let autofocus work, and make sure camera permissions are enabled. This single troubleshooting step solves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.